Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we are going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. Now GBP/USD and cables buyers reversed losses yesterday and pushed it higher against the US dollar after data showed that US consumer price rose while the European Central Bank saved and increased stimulus measures, as it was expected. US consumer price rose by 5% annually, which is the largest increase since August 2008, while the ECB raised its growth and inflation forecasts for the current and next year. After yesterday's meeting, the ECB decided not to change the interest rates as expected. The ECB also noted that it will maintain the total volume of the pandemic emergency purchase program at 1,850 billion euros until at least the end of March 2022. Moving on, hard talks on Brexit and the expected global push against China may affect the GBP/USD prices. Next, USD/JPY, and the pair showed mixed dynamic yesterday, having reached 109.8 level, which is the highest level for the last week. But it failed to sustain this level and decreased for almost 50 points since the beginning of American session yesterday, as soon as US numbers were reported. Meanwhile, the US approved a $547 billion infrastructure package as a part of the Biden administration proposal of his $2.3 trillion package. On the other hand, the yen growed a little after reported data which showed that the Japanese economy suffered less than expected in the first quarter. Additionally, the Bank of Japan reported that it will keep its negative interest rates and asset purchase program will remain unchanged in its upcoming monetary policy meeting, which can limit the growth rate for the currency. As for now, investors await for the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index to rate the market sentiment. Last gold, that ended last session on the high note, but shows sluggish moves since the initial Asian session today, testing the 1900 level. Treasury yields decreasing pushed the US dollar and pleased the gold bulls yesterday. Also, yellow metal growth could have happened due to the ECB's refuse to revise the inflation and growth forecasts as investors' fears of the rates cut, backed by a strong bid of inflation. Risk sentiment remained unchanged yesterday as investors stay cautious before the US Consumer Price Index release. The upside may provoke to challenge the Fed on tapering and rate hike pricing. In this case, we recommend to hold your long positions and get more as soon as it breaks the 19.5 level. So for now, these are the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.